Morning, everybody, and welcome to Cruise News. If there's one thing I've learned throughout my years of cruising, is to always expect the unexpected and be ready to roll with the punches. For example, it's not uncommon for itineraries to change at the last minute due to inclement weather. But what some passengers might not realize, especially if they are newer to cruising, is that booking a stateroom with a private balcony doesn't always guarantee balcony access for the duration of the sailing. Indeed, on one such guest took to Reddit to ask if it was normal to lose access so that the crew members could complete maintenance tasks. In a later update, the guests confirmed that they only lost access for one day, not three like their fellow passengers, but still wanted to know if it was practice was a commonplace. In the comment section, the majority confirmed that they had similar experiences where they too lost balcony access, but that it usually only lasts for a couple of hours and was while the ship was in port, when guests would most likely be up to ship anyway. That said, there could be situations or even emergencies where the crew needs to conduct maintenance that can't wait for a phone call or a turnaround day. But no matter the reasons, losing balcony access and or not seeing the expected view from one's balcony can be a hot button topic with cruisers. Last year, for example, one cruiser made headlines for complaining that the safety railings on their balconies obstructed their view on board Royal Caribbean's Icons of the Seas, and I remember that news too. Even more recently, a Norwegian Cruise Line's guest sparked the debate and even got compensation after her view was blocked by maintenance equipment while sailing through a narrow portion of the Panama Canal. I think these are things are one that happens one by one by basis, and take it to customer service. Complain to somebody. Don't just stay there and complain to the media, whatever the crap. Just make sure you take pictures of it. If you could take video of it and take it to customer service, and they'll take care of you. Just be nice about it. They'll take care of you. Companies don't like being in the news or anything like that. So the sooner you take care of it, the sooner they're gonna take care of you. Why balcony access isn't a given? There are many reasons for why crew members might need to temporarily forbid balcony use. But in this case, the cruiser confirmed that it was due to painting in their original questions and in the comments section. So that's just one of the deals you gotta deal with. So we'll see what happens.